Hello, today I am going to speak about silent letters in English language, particularly silent G. I have already created videos on silent B and silent D. The links are given in the description box. If you haven't watched, please watch the videos. As you all know that in English language we have many words with silent letters. Silent letters are silent consonants and silent vowels. Silent letters are the letters which are used in the words but aren't pronounced. And you all have a big question mark about silent letters. When these letters are not pronounced, why they are used in the words? The first reason why silent letters are used in the words is silent letters help to differentiate homophones. As you all know, homophones are the words which are having same sound with different spelling and different meanings. When silent letters are used in the words, we can differentiate homophones with different spellings. For example, C-O-T cot and C-A-U-G-S-T cot. These are the two different words having the same pronunciation but different spellings. Because of the different spellings, we have different meanings. So this is the first reason why silent letters are used, as we can differentiate homophones easily with different spellings. Second reason, silent letters aren't pronounced, but they can change the pronunciation of another syllable present in the word. They can change the pronunciation of another consonant and vowel. For example, the words fin fin and fine fine. These are the two different words. Because of the silent letter E, we have different pronunciation of these two words. So they help us to have different pronunciation with different meanings. So these are the two important reasons why silent letters are used in English language. And now I am going to explain you different words with silent G. So let's begin. Align, A-L-I-G-N, where the letter G is silent. Align means to put two or more things into a straight line or to form a straight line. Arraign, A-R-R-A-I-G-N, where the letter G is silent. Arraign. Arraign means to call or bring someone before a court to answer a criminal charge or to put on a trial, to criticize someone. Assign, A-S-S-I-G-N, where the G is silent. Assign. Assign means to allocate or to allot, to give someone. Benign, B-E-N-I-G-N, where the G is silent. Benign. Benign means gentle and kindly, warm-hearted, a good-natured person who is very friendly. Benign, B-E-N-I-G-N, where the G is silent. Next word, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, where the G is silent. Bought. Bought is simple past and part participle of buy. Buy means purchase or obtain or get. Champagne, C-H-A-M-P-A-G-N-E, champagne. Champagne means white sparkling wine. Design, D-E-S-I-G-N, where the G is silent. Design. Design means a decorative pattern, drawing produced to show the look. Next word, caught, C-A-U-G-S-T, caught. Caught is simple past and past participle of catch. Catch means to hold or to grab. It can be to snatch or to seize. Capture. Next word, cosine, C-O-S-I-G-N, cosine. Cosine means sign jointly with another person. Next word, diaphragm, D-I-A-P-H-R-A-G-M, where the G is silent. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is the primary muscle of respiration. Diaphragm, D-I-A-P-H-R-A-G-M, G is silent. Diaphragm. Next word, foreign, F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign. Foreign relating to another country or situated outside one's own country. That is foreign, F-O-R-E-I-G-N, G is silent. Foreign. Next word, gnarl, G-N-A-R-L, where the G as well as R is silent. Gnarl. Gnarl means to twist something up until it is deformed. A rough or knotty protuberance. Next word, gnash, G-N-A-S-H, yeah, gnash. Gnash means to strike or grind your teeth together. When you are in anger or when you are in pain, you just strike your teeth together. That is gnash, G-N-A-S-H, gnash. Next word, gnat, G-N-A-T, gnat, where the G is silent. Gnat means any of many species of flying insects. Gnat, G-N-A-T, gnat, where the G is silent. Gnat. Next word, gnaw, G-N-A-W, gnaw. Gnaw means nibble something persistently. When you chew something or when you munch something or bite something, that is gnaw, G-N-A-W. Next word, gnome, G-N-O-M-E, gnome, where the G is silent. Gnome means a legendary dwarfish creature supposed to guard Earth's underground treasures. Next word, high, H-I-G-H, high. High means of great vertical extent, high level or high point, which is very tall or towering. H-I-G-H, high. Next word, lasagna, L-A-S-A-G-N-A, where the G is silent. Lasagna, yeah, lasagna. Lasagna means pasta in the form of wide sheets or wide strips. Next word, night, N-I-G-H-T, night, where the G is silent. Night. Night, the period from sunset to sunrise. Darkness. Next word, ought, O-U-G-H-T, ought. Ought is a modal auxiliary used to express obligation or compulsion. The synonyms for ought is must, should, have to, has to, need to. So these are the modal auxiliaries used for obligation or compulsion. It is ought, O-U-G-H-T, ought. Next word, paradigm, P-A-R-A-D-I-G-M, where the G is silent. Yeah, it is paradigm. Paradigm means a pattern of something or model. It is a kind of prototype, an example. Paradigm. Next word, flame, P-H-L-E-G-M. Yeah, it is flame. Flame, P-H-L-E-G-M, where the G is silent. Phlegm is muscus, a thick substance that is produced in your throat when you are suffering from cold. Phlegm, P-H-L-E-G-M, phlegm, muscus. Next word, poignant, P-O-I-G-N-A-N-T, P-O-I-G-N-A-N-T, where the G is silent. Poignant, yeah, it is poignant. Poignant means evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. Poignant, P-O-I-G-N-A-N-T, G is silent. Poignant. Next word, reign, R-E-I-G-N, where the G is silent. Yeah, it is reign. Reign means to rule as a monarch or be a king or queen. It is reign, R-E-I-G-N. Next word, sight, S-I-G-H-T, G is silent. Sight, power of seeing or eyesight, vision, glimpse. It is sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight, yeah, sight. Next word, sovereign, S-O-V-E-R-E-I-G-N. Yeah, it is sovereign. Sovereign, a supreme ruler, head of state, is called as sovereign, S-O-V-E-R-E-I-G-N, sovereign. Next word, thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Thigh means part of human leg between hip and the knee. Thigh, T-H-I-G-H, where the G is silent. Thigh. Next word, vignette, V-I-G-N-E-T-T-E. Yeah, it is vignette. Vignette means a short evocative description or a short piece of writing. Yeah, it is vignette, V-I-G-N-E-T-T-E, where the G is silent. Vignette. So these are the different words with silent G. I hope you have learned and enjoyed these new words with silent G. We'll come back with different silent letters in the next videos. Thank you.